Ay, masakal mo ito yun? Ganun naman. Uy! Grabe, buklat no! Buklat na kayo. O ganino.
For our first quarter, we have 8 minutes running time. One time out, both coaches.
Nita diri oy.
Init ko ni kayo.
Ako siya. 150. Kasi wala.
All right, first five. Pasok. All right. So, Magiers, we have live stream via Facebook. Just check our page, Elder Gospel Cup. You can review, you can watch live during this game with me, Titans, and 150 goals. All right, let the ball begin. Ball and Tiger. We can wait for the ball. We can wait. Back to Ventura. Bullet play in the good. We're going to Castillo, nag-aakapang-sama. Castillo, secretary. Castillo. Castillo. Steal. Secondary. Back. Two-four. That's the first player of Red Fire. Coach number 3. Gonzaga. Steal. Ball and Tiger. Coach number 8. Tiger for 3, no good. Coach number 12 and the rebound. No good again, and that's Inaba. Secretaria. Kanya pa rin ang bola. Basta Mauricio. Intercept. Coach number 34. Guys number 2. Flat 2 short. Third. Coach number 34. So substitution. Coaches and second ball. Bernardo Santos. That's a double violation. Ball and Tigers. There's a foul, let's go there.
Ginagawa mo kasi sa buhay mo.
All right, clear. Alright, time out. Second out, time out. There's a foul.
Kaya gano'n.
Ayan o. Yan.
Second out, time out.
Kaya na eh.
Baba ng spinal mo.
Oh.
Time remaining for the first quarter, 5 minutes and 50 seconds. This is first period of our team.
Ayaw.
Talbog siya.
Stopper pa lang. Yun na.
Aray ka. Ayaw.
Lorde! 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 Lorde!
If any timeout, buo lang mo sa table, itapit lang referee or any officials na sa table natin for timeout.
Asa man
Buo
na yung
lang.
electric fan? Ah, sorry.
Alright, 2 shots for jersey number 12. Time in, 5 minutes and 39 seconds. No good for the first row. Last row. Jumpers ready.
Tuwan naman din eh,
More work. There's a foul. Let's go left. Jersey number 24, Tantura. Bola ng 150 bowlers. Sabi pa foul ulit. Pagkata. Nagana pa masahan. Pasok. Pasok. Out of bounds. Ang ganda. Defense yun. Bumangga sa kanila. Goal. Jersey number 8. Setting the point. Division number 12, Jack. From the ball. Division number 2, Secretaria. Full of play, no good. Division number 20, Division number 22. It's safety. Division number 8. It's a foul. Division number 4. Chong. That's yours. First personal foul. Penalty foul. This is the foul. It's on. Offensive foul. Jersey number 12. Bola ng 150 ball. There you go. Carrying the ball. Bola ng Time and stop and go. Pass to Jersey number 12. Easy to shoot. Jersey number 8, attack on the best. Pasok yan. Wala natin. 7-0. Mauricio. There's the jump ball. Dahil ng bola na. Same ball down.
Ang araw oh. Araw.
Bola natin. 150 balls. Time remaining 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Time to shoot. Mauricio. Good. Mauricio red. Good. Bola na ng 150 balls. Out of bounds. Same ball tayo. 9 to shoot. 9 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Naputukan ng 24. Bola ngayon ng Titans. Time remaining 2 minutes and 9 seconds. 14 to shoot. Pinto. No good. There's the foul. Where's the ref? Jersey number 21. Tambua. 140. Castillo to secretaria. Pull up, good, no good. Don't get the rebound. Strong, letak number 3. No good, wala pa rin yung Lucas. Tambua na dito. Castillo guard. It's out. Troubling violation. 1 and 15 for the first quarter. Castillo. Started. There's a foul on starter. Jersey number 12. Second to play. Barcelona, that's their second personal foul. 49 remaining time. 49 seconds. Unang gusto. Pasok yan. 30 seconds. Mauricio. Sudah na bola. Kasura. Last 29 seconds. Silence. It's a troubling violation. Last 20 seconds remaining. Castillo. And it's our first period. For the last day for this morning, Finance versus $150. 8 minutes pa rin tayo, running time. One timeout per team. Coaches, reminder, one timeout per team. Kung timeout, doon lang sa referee sa tuwang table. Winning pass sa field. Alright. Gusto na break. Tiger. Setting the play. No good, bring it out. Bola pa rin Tiger. Kaya pa ang lalaki niya. First team shoot. Bola save. That's good. Position number 9. For Tiger. That's good. Natahan ang bola. Yun na lang ang mga saan. There's a foul. No count. Sabi ng referee natin. Jersey number 9. That's your first personal foul. First team foul for Tiger. So you to shoot. That's for you. Bad to shoot. Very good. You got the Tiger. Jersey number 8. Watch the Jersey number 71. Shoot. That's 2 points. Para sa Big Brahma. Gusto to shoot. Mauricio, nagtakamag-press. No good. Bola na tayo sa player. Steal. Jersey number 8. Castillo. The corner shot. That's good. That's 2 points. Position number 3. Last 6 minutes.
Ulang.
That's a 2 points for the player.
Team 5.
Dale. Marwood, over the rebound. Out of bounds. Take it away now. 160 minutes. 14 to shoot. Alright, correction. Para official, bola ng Titans. Tao lang po, nagkakamali. Pero binabawi. Bola ng Titans. Ang gandang pass sana, kaso walang tao din. Last 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Shoot. There's a foul. It's foul left, jersey number 9, that's short. That's the second personal foul. Castillo. Castillo. He's jersey number 12. He's a rebound. From the last 1 minute and 42 seconds. Jersey number 8. Back. And then a no play, clear, Titans. Last 1 minute and 25 seconds. Kailangan natin 17 to 5. They're good. Rebound is there. Steal. 2 points. Coaching number 17. Steal. Steal. 2. Coaching number 71. 2 points for jersey number 8. Mauricio. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, pushing the ball. More patience for jersey number 22. 2 points for Titans, Family 3 and 24. Steal again. It's number 22. Moving out. There's a ball and run. It's got left. Time. Jersey number 8 on the line. That's good for jersey number 8. Wala ngayon ang 150 balls. That's a corner violation. Jersey number 8. Carrying the plate. Jersey number 10. No good. Bola na. $150. Timing 2 minutes and 25 seconds. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Backdoor violation. basketball, Scott Howard. Bola na ng Titans. Fifteen to shoot. Tito, no good. There's a foul, there's a left. Yung sinabutan na doon, that's good for his first goal. Last goal, the first one. No good. Baru sudah terlibat, dikata papasan. Bagus. Bagus, so sinabutan. Out of bounds, bola berenang. $150. Saya play. Escape. Mauricio bertahan ke press. That's good. For Mauricio. 10 seconds. Wow. Tunggu sa ere. Tapi sa foul. It's foul left.
Init na gani.
Mauricio, kasi second point of foul. Last 20 seconds.
Wala yan.
Score.
Ito 78.
Last 15 seconds. Last 10. Good. 5 seconds. And both teams, third quarter, if napay mo ang bird, we can play the game na po. So make sure, on time na yan, mga bird, oh, we do, second quarter na. Alright. Hey, dude, for third quarter, Secretary. Two, Odipito. To the floor. There's a foul, it's all left. Jersey number 71. Pasok din na ba? Sige tayo. Pasok din ko na ba? Go, Jersey number 9. Roto, 2 points. Jersey number 9. Rodrigo.
Third na di ay? Third na.
No good. Out of bounds. Wala na ng $150. Saturday, 6
Third na di
50.
ay?
For substitution and timeout, go lang mo sa atin mo. Deo. Pasok Jersey number 9. Pasok Jersey number 5. 32.
Mali nga sila, ano?
Secretaria, 5 to shoot. Pinatatakira ako, Secretaria. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Perfect. No good. Here's the ball. Two of the seed. Secretaria. Severo. 2 na dito. Out of bounds.
Payment.
Proceed to shoot.
Patay ka din.
5 minutes and 30 seconds.
May 31 na yan.
Number 1 na, number 1.
Proceed to shoot. See. Wala na yung timer. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Tambula. Pull up, two. Back to the ball. 7 minutes, 5 minutes. Back on the way. 14 shoot. Look at the ball. Ball on the Mauricio. Time to go left, 11 to shoot. Forward, 115 ball, 11 to shoot.
Minutes naman.
5. Correct. Very good. 2 points. Castillo. Ang napapasa kay Tate. Tate Castillo. 1-2 front. Tate. No good. Tate pa rin. Sa Castillo. Castillo, shooter. Di pa rin lumabot. Wala na yung tayo. Ang tansuwatak ko. 3:25 seconds. Remains. Steal. Retire. Position number 34. Gambit. 2 points. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Orato. Nagtangga. No good. Echade got the rebound. Echade. To Secretaria. 2 points. For 150 goals. Last 250. There's a foul. JC number 24.
Oh my God.
Bola na tayo. Ito, Mauricio. Secretaria. Out of bounds. Bola na yun. Tayo. Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Hindi mo ano oh. Mandar?
Ball back. No good.
Dili pa oy. Dos pa na. Buka.
Wala na ng $150 and 65 seconds. Secretaria, Bambit. Nagtatambak sa Scarlet. Jersey number 14, got the rebound. Colbal. Oscar. Steve. Pass to Castillo. Castillo. 15 to shoot. Oscar. Scarlet, play. Wow, back. Huge 2 points for inside. 125. Jersey number 1, good for no good. You'll get the rebound. Out of bounds. Wala ngayon ang 150 balls. Seconds to play. Atlanta, to the cube. Back to trouble violation. Now 55 seconds. That's your side. To the Mauricio. So good. Gina, passing to Talia. 25 seconds. 30 seconds.
They scored 39, no?
Gusto na mag-drive, no good. 2 more seconds. Exactly. Nagata pa pa sa atong studio. Now 20 seconds. Pag-hit. So Mauricio. Mauricio. Nagtatang mag-set. No good. 10 seconds. 5. Wow, that's good.
Uy! Ay, ano eh.
Alright, let's start our last quarter. 5 minutes, stop time tayo. Jersey number 2, where's the foul? What's my left? Jersey number 3. Bola na Titan. Colbal. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Single set. There's an end one play. Who's covered?
Gini ko yun.
Jersey number 20.
Yung tablet na nainitan.
Last go. Jumper 30. Wala ngayon na 150 goals. Stewart. Jersey number 1. Nakawates. No good. Rebound by Castillo. Castillo. Nagpapalilit. It's the blast. Another shot. No good. Rebound by Rebound. Titan. Titan sa bawal. Jersey number 8. Goes out. Black. Sumatala. Jersey number 8.
Gani?
Castillo. Castillo again.
Ilan sila dito na eh.
There's a foul. Jersey number 13.
What?
Castillo. Ano na?
Dante Doggy.
Okay, get out of position number 1, start. Position number 8. Wow! Very good! Don't get the rebound! Malalaking mapa! Tatak sa ng bola. Very good there! Very good the ball, steal! 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Raho action, tuloy-tuloy. Secretary. Tubalayan, patayan. 3. Titan, goes number 13.
24.
Johnson, there's a foul. Goes number 10. First personal foul and third team foul for 150 bullets. Time remaining 8 and 32. Time remaining 8 and 30. For 5. There's the goal. Back to number 22. That's a good play. Bravo. There's a time. There's a jump ball. Time. Eight minutes and 9 seconds. 8 and 9. Castillo. That's a foul. Let's go left. Waiting number 12, 24. Waiting number 22. Time remaining 8 minutes and 1 second. Bola naman ng Titans. Tonga. Position number 1. Steal. Position number 4. Counter steal. Ang dalang paso doon. From points for position number 1. Dalam langsung siguro. Wow! Tumutong sa saya. Sa lutong ko. Wala din na awak dito bola. Wagi siguro sila nahihirap at tuloy ng bola. So kasalit. Okay. So Castillo. Castillo nagtakang mag-press no good. Ulat na rebound. Medyo ba tayo yung kuwata. So good. Utama na Rusyo. Mauricio Tujuan, no good again. Ang bilis ng aksyon, nasa rin 5 seconds. No good again. Mauricio Tujuan. Pasto sa Gandaya. Gandaya, matahan ang bola. Gandaya, nag-iisang ikaw, that's 2 points. For 150 goals.
Uy, Toto. Toto.
Teacher Territory. 15 to shoot. Oreka. No good again. That's 2 points for jersey number 20. There's a foul. There's foul left.
Kodo.
Jersey number 10. Time remaining 6 and 23.
Huli. Uy, nailong. Sorry.
Substitution ref.
Sorry late bitaw ka.
Pasok ang papasok, labas ang lalabas.
Laksa.
Wala ng Titan. Time remaining 6 and 15. Si, nagtakang mag-press. Pasok dyan for jersey number 71. Getaya.
Huli.
Foul. Jersey number 21, Kapua. Second personal foul. 1 for penalty. For second. 14 to shoot. 10. Mauricio. Nagkakamag-press. No good. That's a traveling violation. Time remaining, last 5 and 30. Tapua. Castillo. There's a foul. Looks like that. Time out. Team 1, 2, 2. Napulog-ulog. Reminder daw sa mga official na to. Suksok sila taong mga call. Time 5 and 29.
Back in. Ano po?
First row, that's here for Mr. Castillo.
Ay, sunod to ngayon na.
Last row, jumpers for me. Mauricio. Wow! Shoot back! Foul, run Mauricio.
Ano to? Ay, ito.
Time remaining 5 and 25.
Sorry.
Ay! Nice!
And one play. Who's for left?
Ah, init kayo.
Jersey number 10. Last throw for jersey number 20. Time remaining 5 and 13. That's good for jersey number 20. Padayon. After this number 10. Two. Jersey number 10 to run. 2 points for Mr. C. Time remaining 4 and 5. Castillo. Number 8. No good, Mauricio. Mauricio doing it all, Marino. Ayun na bola na. Kick ball violation. Bola na. Titan. That's all.
Yes,
That's good for the first throw. Last throw, jumper is ready. So good. Good on the rebound. Pagahin ka sa rebound. Mas Martino. Two.
Nice.
Take it away. Wow. Good. Correct. Pasok dito na lang. Pasok ang papasok. Labas ang lalabas.
Baso. Baso.
Bola Simon. Bakit? Ito na dyan. Pagkat pamasahan. Two. Bebrayan.
Short.
Bebrayan. Dito na dyan. Okay, two.
Go. Go, go, go,
Good
go.
away. Good. The knees of the cow. That's 2 points. For Kyle. Kyle. Good number 3. That's a fouling violation. Fouling 3 and 52.
Kapit na.
Fouling 3 minutes and 52 seconds.
Pwede na paig. Katapos ito, meron pa.
Side set. On down. Two forward.
Baka 11.
Position number 11.
Pati ang cellphone, init na.
Kulang ang game sama ng spring ko. Na-injured si Jacob kahapon.
Last throw. Jumper's ready. That's good. No issue. That's your third personal foul. Substitution there. Mauricio. Mauricio. Nanalo the ball. Bagis. Pina. Bantang tira. 3 points. Position number 24. Position number 12. Black O'Brien. Last 3 of the 2. Counter out of bounds, right now. 150 dollars. Substitution there. Last 3 minutes and 11 seconds. That's the team there. What are they now? $150. Time to shoot.
Pasulibit.
That's 3, no good. What are they Titans? Last 3 minutes. On the back.
Go, AJ.
Out of bounds. What are they now? $150. Substitution there. What's happening? Stewart. Double Stewart. Out of bounds. Wala nang Thailand. Time remaining 2 minutes and 34 seconds. 2 minutes and 34. Oreka. 2 points. Castillo. Castillo nagagawa na sa doon sa foul. Let's foul. Jersey number 1, Oreka. Wilson foul. Last 2 minutes and 26 seconds. Ochate. That's another. Goes to number 1, number 5. That's 2 points for balance. Castillo. Pass to Ochate. Ochate Castillo. There's a foul. Who's foul left?
71.
This number 12.
71, ha?
Last 2 minutes and
Score
6
71?
seconds.
Na-stuck.
Castillo. Last throw, jumper ready. Ochate got the rebound. There's a foul. Who's foul left? Jersey number 34. Ochate on the line. No good. Last throw. Jumper's ready. Pinabandang tira. Last 2 minutes. No good. Ochate got the rebound.
Ako, number 9, sir.
Ochate. Ochate. No good. Tama na the rebound. Sabi ni guard. Waiting on down. Second place. Last one, 39. Jersey number 9. The third test. Again, that's 2 points for finals. Ochate. Joe. No good. Ochate got the rebound. Ochate mag-press. No good. Jersey number 34. Got the rebound. Silence. Alright. Tukal ba? 15 to shoot.
Quarter. Fourth.
Gorba. This is 2 points for Gorba. Play to play.
Salamat.
Castillo. There's a foul.
Seconds. Tindog.
Penalty situation.
Ano ba, Jebe? Call na. Bitawan. Iyahay nagtindog mo. Limit na kayo eh.
Jersey number 12. That's your 4th personal foul.
Wala.
Penalty situation. Last throw. Jersey number 10.
Tatlo, magdala tayo ng parang 10.
54 seconds.
Gani.
Ano score to? 36?
Jersey number 8.
Never 36.
36.
Jersey number 12. No good. Rebound Matipito. 2 points. Matipito. Last 43 seconds. Out of bounds.
36,
Wala ngayon ng varsity goal.
78.
Ochate, nagtang ng mag-press. No good. Rebound pa tayo. Move out.
Boy!
There's an ad stroke. So, out of the game. Substitution. So, 150 goals.
Pag malapit na matapos na, malapit din dito.
Last 26 seconds. Last 26 seconds.
Bibi ay. Gani. Kira na. Sayuhan ninyo eh.
Ba't anong oras ba yan sila?
Umuya po.
3?
Ay, hindi. Second game.
Baka next game sila dito.
Hindi,
Dili.
sunod nito.
That's good.
Alas 2 pa sila.
For finals. Last 26 seconds.
Sayuhan ninyo si Dun. Sayo kayo.
Time to shoot. So good. Give the rebound, Castillo. With number 12.
Ano eh? Ana.
13. Out of bounds. Last 7 seconds.
Uy, kisi. Labando rahiwi.
Jersey number 34,
Ay,
Castillo. Castillo. Last 5 seconds.
Ay, gosh yun.
And a graduation. Congrats to our team. Congrats to our winning team.
Pasok, pasok, pasok.
Player of the game and team picture sa Tunga Kamalan.